Hello, and in our medical textbook today we're doing disease on page 82. I'll read through the text first and then we'll do the new words. Disease is a burden on an individual as well as on society. Knowledge concerning this is important, particularly in planning prevention programs and in evaluating the success or failure of intervention. In 1993, a report was published not only of numbers for mortality but for loss of health. These data permit establishing priorities for treating specific diseases and conditions. The goal of global disease assessments is to allot research and treatment resources according to where they would have the best chance to make a difference in alleviating suffering and prevention of death from specific illnesses. Some of the most popular communicable diseases and methods of transmission. So let's have a look. We have disease in the first column, the second column, how agent leaves the body, third column, transmission of the cause, and in the fourth column, how it enters the body. So, the first disease here is AIDS, blood, sperm, other body fluids, sex, contact with blood or other fluids, reproduction tract, contact with blood, breastfeeding. The second disease, hepatitis A, feces, food and water contaminated with feces, mouth to intestine. Hepatitis B, blood and serum, contact with blood and body fluids, sex and drug injections, surgery. Hepatitis C, blood and other body fluids, drug injections, healthcare workers exposed to infected blood, contaminated needles. Hookworm, feces with polluted soil through skin, migrate through body and settle in small intestine. Meningitis, discharge from nose. Respiratory droplets, mouth and nose. Mumps, discharge from infected glands, respiratory droplets and saliva, mouth and nose. Diphtheria, pertussis, TBC and poliomyelitis are almost eradicated in our country thanks to vaccination. And now let's have a look at some of the new words here. Burden, teret, breme. Evaluate, proceniti. Failure, neuspeh. Allot, odrediti, podeliti, izdvojiti ili dodeliti. Alleviate, ublažiti. Inert, nemoćan. Ignore, zanemariti. And that's all for now, so bye-bye.